Development and assessment of fast-dissolving tablets of levocetirizine dihydrochloride using super disintegrants. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Several novel technologies for oral drug delivery have recently become available to address the physicochemical and pharmacokinetic characteristics of drugs while improving patient compliance. The basic disadvantage of conventional tablets is the high first-pass metabolism, which can be overcome by designing fast-dissolving tablets (FDT). The limited oral bioavailability of levocetirizine dihydrochloride, primarily due to its extensive first-pass metabolism, necessitated the development of fast-dissolving tablets that rapidly disintegrate in the oral cavity. Fast-dissolving tablets containing 5 mg of levocetirizine dihydrochloride were formulated using the direct compression method with 3 synthetic super disintegrants in varying concentrations. Tablet thickness, hardness test, friability test, etc. were done for evaluation. 3 tablets from each formulation were randomly selected and in vitro dispersion time was performed. The formulation development was primarily influenced by the type and concentration of polymers and the physicochemical properties of the drug. FTIR analysis confirmed the compatibility of the polymers with the drug. Various evaluation parameters, including thickness, weight variation, hardness, friability, in vitro dispersion time, wetting time, water absorption ratio, drug content uniformity, and in vitro drug release were assessed. The optimized formulation, PF9, exhibited an in vitro drug release of 99.81% within 10 minutes, with an in vitro dispersion time of just 1 second. Among all developed formulations, the one containing 2.5% cross-carmellose sodium, PF9, was identified as the most effective, demonstrating superior disintegration and drug release characteristics for levocetirizine dihydrochloride tablets. Introduction. Levocetirizine dihydrochloride is a medication commonly used to relieve allergic symptoms like those from hay fever, and it is suitable for people of all ages. However, it can take a while to start working when taken orally, and the body's metabolism can reduce its effectiveness. To improve its effectiveness and make it easier for patients to take, scientists have developed fast-dissolving tablets. These tablets dissolve quickly in the mouth without the need for water, making them ideal for people who have difficulty swallowing, such as young children, the elderly, or those with medical conditions. The tablets are designed using a direct compression method and include special ingredients to help them break down faster. This formulation aims to improve how the drug is absorbed by the body and ensure better patient compliance, as it is easier to take and more effective than traditional tablets. Conclusion. The study successfully developed and evaluated fast-dissolving tablets of levocetirizine dihydrochloride using various super disintegrants. FTIR analysis confirmed the absence of any chemical interactions between the drug and excipients, ensuring formulation stability. All post-compression parameters, including thickness, hardness, friability, in vitro dispersion time, wetting time, water absorption ratio, and drug release, were within acceptable limits as per IP and BP standards. Among the formulations tested, tablets containing crospovidone exhibited the fastest dispersion time, less than 40 seconds. The optimized formulation, PF9, which contained cross-carmellose sodium, demonstrated the highest drug release, 99.81%, within 10 minutes, along with excellent wetting and disintegration properties. These findings indicate that PF9 is the most effective formulation, offering rapid drug release and improved bioavailability, making it a promising candidate for fast-dissolving oral delivery of levocetirizine dihydrochloride. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.